Still copying and scaling the same blocks over and over a time. GrabCAD is here to save your hours. Yeah. Uh, Blocks are those which I had already talked about, meaning doors, windows, which can be placed in the drawing elements, and uh, a person is always scaling, uh, copying over and over a time. But now here I'm here to tell you the quick way to save your hours. Yeah, yeah. Good morning, friends. Welcome to this channel. My name is Gabriel Godfrey, and I'm from GrabCAD AutoCAD 2D training, and we are here to talk about blocks. Yeah. So in our videos, we have been scaling, copying the same blocks over and over a time. But now I've come here with an idea which we can use to save our hours. Yeah. So we shall use dynamic blocks. Yeah. Dynamic blocks are found in blocks, and we use the command add center, which is this one, add center. We press enter and it will bring us to a certain value. Let me go to home. Yeah, it will bring us this way. We have ActiveS, data, connectivity, and all other things. But for us, we shall choose en minus us. Yeah. So when I choose this, they bring us dynamic blocks. Yeah. Dynamic blocks are found in this area. You type add center, you look en minus us, and you shall see dynamic blocks here. So when we click in dynamic blocks, it brings us switch type. We need annotation, yeah, metric and imperial, architecture, civil, metric. So we shall look for what we need. Let's say architecture, metric. Yeah, the difference between imperial and metric is because imperial, it is measuring in inches and feet, while architecture is measuring in the usual, such as millimeters and any other meters. Yeah. So when I look for metric, I will look for blocks, and you shall see the ones which have come here. We have an aluminium door for elevation. We have a door metric. We have a door for elevation. We have a stud for metric. This one acts as a wardrobe. We have a toilet. We have trees. We have vehicles. Yeah. So when I choose, let's say, a vehicle like here and press OK, I will bring it somewhere like here. Let me first close this. I bring it there. But when I click on it like this, we can be able to change select the vehicle type to preview. You can, let's say, look for a sports car. We can look for a truck. We can look for a truck which side. Anything here can be done. We can look for a sedan side. Any other vehicle, you can be able to choose it from there. Then from here, if we click on it, we specify the stretch point. We can be able to stretch it to any point we need. Yeah. So this is for a car. And when we go back by typing escape, when we go back by typing add center, press enter, and we look for an aluminium door. Let's say an aluminium door, and press OK, and I close this. Come and press it here. You will see a door coming here. So what we shall do, if I click in it, we can be able to change the height. You see this one is 900. We can be able to change it, let's say 1200. Yeah, we can also be able to change this one to, let's say, 1200 also. Yeah. So that's what we have been talking about. We are scaling, but here we are saving our hours. Just click in the thing, and it brings you where to scale it from. Yeah, and copying. Yeah. So without going far, I can also go back, add center, this, and I bring maybe a door. and I press OK. Remove, close this, and I bring my door. Yeah, so this is a door. We can see this one is the wall thickness. We can see this one is the swing. We can see this is a curved swing path. When I click in it, you can see. When I click in it, you can see many arrows, and each specifies its own direction. We have like this arrow which shows the extension of the wall. Yeah, we can change it to 150. This one limits us to 150. We can have here aligns the block to the object. We can align the, let's say here. We have also this arrow which shows the opening angle. We can, let's say 60 degrees. We can also say 90 degrees. Yeah. We have also this arrow, the which shows any direction you want it to be. You can, let's say, want it up. You can say let it face down. Also this one, we can face this in the left. We can also make it face in the right. And then there is also this one. This arrow shows the length of the door. We can push it, let's say, to 1,000. Yeah, and everything is there set. So if we are to measure this here, it is 1,200. Yeah, so this one limits us to 1,000. Yeah, so that is dynamic blocks. Yeah, which I can talk about for now. Yeah, so the dynamic blocks enable us not to scale, not to copy. Yeah, just simply we type in add center in our workspace, add center, press enter, and we come to, let's say here, we go to en and us. We look for dynamic blocks. We click in it and we look for architecture. We can look for civil. What is in civil? We can find hex nut. We can find a bore metric. We can find a concrete pipe. We can find a manhole. We can find parking metric. Let me check if I bring a parking metric, what can it bring? And press OK, and I close this, and I press it here. Yeah, you can be able to see the parking yard. So here I can make the number of spaces. Let's say if I want 4 spaces, and then this one I can specify, I can stretch the point where I want it to be. Yeah, so that's it for the dynamic blocks. Dynamic blocks help us not to repeat the same thing at the same time, like drawing this one more and more again. So let's say if I want like 8 parking slots, I can make 10 spaces, and all of them will come like how you need them. Yeah, so that's the way dynamic blocks save our work. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. Like, share, and comment our videos so that we can grow together and we can take our channel to greater heights. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye. Let me see you in our next video.